Today we're out in the countryside of Japan to see what local food we can find here. They say breakfast is the most important meal of the day, so of course we need to start the morning off right with this big nutritious breakfast. A good amount of the food you see here is actually locally grown, which is why it tastes super fresh. You see, rural areas in Japan really pride themselves on their local dishes that city food cannot compete with. This town is called Utsunomiya and is known for having some of the best gyoza dumplings in the country. Since people come from all over to try the various styles, the popular shops are all around the station within walking distance from one another, which makes it incredibly easy to find. You can enjoy a mini tour while you walk around and eat a little bit of everything. Today I tried deep fried gyoza, pan fried gyoza, boiled gyoza, and even the classic gyoza. They were all insanely delicious and I totally get what all the hype is for. I don't think I'd be able to pick one favorite because they were all so different and really serve their purpose in making this town what it is. Which looked the best to you though? Subscribe for daily food videos from Japan.